Today we'll start with the mensuration exercise 16.3, the sums based on area of circle. So suppose this is a circle. This is the center of the circle C, and any line from C to the point on the circumference, suppose A, this is known as radius of the circle. And a straight line which is passing through the center and intersecting both the points on the circumference of the circle, this is PQ. This is known as diameter. And the relationship between radius and diameter is radius is half of diameter. So this implies diameter equals to 2 times of radius. Now how to find out the area of the circle? So area of circle is equals to pi r square. This is the area of circle, the region bounded inside the circle. So this total, the shaded part which I am drawing here, that is the area of the circle. And its formula is pi r square, where pi equals to 22/7 or 3.14. So we have to take the value of pi always 22/7 until it is specified. If in particular question it is specified, take pi is equals to 3.14 or 3.141, that time we will put the value of pi as that value. Otherwise we have to take the value of pi as 22/7. Now circumference of circle. Circumference of circle means it is the length of the boundary of the circle. Suppose if we start from the point P and we return to the point P again, so this is the length of the boundary of the circle, is known as the circumference of the circle. So its formula is 2 pi r. So what is circumference? The total length of the boundary of the circle. If we start from the point Q, then from here, when we will come back to Q again, so that is the circumference. So the sums based on the area of circle is on from exercise 16.3. The question number 1 is given here. Find the length of the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. Here circumference is given 44 centimeter. Here the letter C is representing the circumference. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. But here radius is not given. In fact, the circumference is given. So first of all, from this we have to find out the radius. Since the circumference value is given, so we can find out the radius from here. How? Circumference we know it's 2 pi r is equals to 44 centimeter. This implies 2 into pi's value 22/7 into r equals to 44. Now 22 2 times it's 44, and 2 is also cancelled. So this implies r is equals to 7 centimeter. Now if r is 7 centimeter, here in the question you have to find out the diameter. So diameter will be equals to 2 times of r. So 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. This was the question number 1. Now the question number 2 is, find the radius and area of circle. Find the radius and area of a circle if its circumference is 18 pi. If its circumference is 18 pi. So as per the question, I have written everything symbolically. Here you have to find the radius and area if the circumference is given. So circumference is again the same thing we will apply here. 2 pi r is equals to 18 pi. No need to put the value of pi here because pi and pi can be cancelled. So 2r is equals to 18. So r will be equals to 9 centimeter. Now we have to, r we got, it's 9 centimeter. Now we also have to find out area. So area equals to pi r square. So pi 22 by 7, r 9 into 9. Here nothing we can cancel. So 22 into 81 by 7. We have to do the calculation of it. So if we calculate, we will be getting 254.71 centimeter square. You can also write in terms of fraction. Now the question number 4 is, find the radius and circumference of a circle whose area is 144 pi centimeter square. So what we have to find? Here we have to find out the radius. Find the radius and circumference of the circle whose area is given 144 pi centimeter square. So area means we know it's pi r square equals to 144 pi. So this implies pi and pi will be cancelled. So r square will be equals to 144. So r will be equals to root under 144. So this implies r is equals to 12 centimeter. So radius we got, it's 12 centimeter. And we also have to find the circumference here. So the circumference formula we know, it's 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 and r is 12. So nothing will be cancelled here. So 12 2s are 24 into 22 divided by 7. So if we multiply it, we will get, it's 528 by 7. So now we can divide also. So 7 7s are 49. It's 338. So 7 5s are 35. It's 3. So here we can write the answer 75 and 3 by 7 centimeter. 75 whole is the quotient has to be written here. Then the remainder and then the divisor. So circumference of the circle is 75 and 3 by 7 centimeter. Now we will come to the question number 10. This is the question number 10. What is given here? The circumference of the circle is 123.2 centimeter. So this is the question number 10. So the circumference of the circle is given 123.2 centimeter. You have to calculate the radius of the circle, the area of the circle in centimeter square, and the effect on area effect on the area of the circle if the radius is doubled. So the third part we'll do later on. So the first part and second part you have to find out the radius and area. So since circumference is given here 123.2, so we'll do the calculation of that at first. So it's 2 pi r is equals to 123.2. Here the value of pi also we have to take 22 by 7 because no such instruction is given. You have to take pi something else. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 123.2. Now remove the decimal. So it is 10 here. So by 2 we can cancel. So 2 6 are 12. 2 1 are 2. And 2 6 are 12. Now by 2 again it can be cancelled. So 2 11s are 22. And this is 2 3s are 6. 0. Because it won't be divisible. Then 1 6 16. So 2 8s are 16. Now it will be cancelled by 11 also. So 11 2s are 22. 8 88. So r will be equals to 28 into 7. 7 is in the denominator, so it will go to the numerator. 28 into 7 by 10. So r will be equals to, if we have to find out 28 into 7, we'll multiply it. We'll get it 196 by 10. So it will be 19.6. Since 10 is here, so before one place you have to put the decimal. So we got the first part, that is the radius. And now we have to find out the second part also, the area. So area's formula is pi r square. So it's 22 by 7. R square means 19.6 into 19.6. So 7 2s are 14. Yes, it will be cancelled. So if by 10 we do, 7 2s are 14. 5, it's 28. Now we can cancel the terms by 2 here, but we won't do so because if 10 is there, it will be easy for us to multiply, to divide, to put the decimal actually. So let's multiply. It's 22 into 28 into 19.6 divided by 10. So 20, or you can remove the decimal here. 10, but will not cancel it. So let's multiply 22 and 28 and 196. So we'll get 120736 centimeters square divided by 100. So it will be 1207.36 centimeters square. Now the last part is calculate the effect on the area of the circle if radius is doubled. Here we will be or not doing any calculation, means not substitute any values. What we'll do, area of the circle is the third number. We know that area of the circle is pi r square. Now if radius is doubled, that means the new r, you can write it as r1 will become 2r. Radius is doubled, so whatever is the initial r, it will be 2r. Now new area, if we take it as a1, so it will become pi r1 square. So pi R1 means it's 2r whole square, that is pi into 4r square. So this is a pi r square and a1 is 4 pi r square. Now if we compare a1 by a, means with the new area to the original area, so a1 we got pi into 4r square and actual area was pi r square. So pi cancelled, r square is also cancelled. So a1 is equals to 4 times of a. That means this is the relation we are getting if the radius is doubled. So if the radius is doubled, we can say the new area is becoming 4 times. So answer will be 4 times. Here one thing is to be added, that is in second part you have to find out the area of circle in centimeter square correct to nearest centimeter square. So the area which we got here, it's 1207.36 centimeter square. So since it's nearest centimeter square, so you have to remove it to the nearest centimeter square. So after the decimal we found here it's 3, that is less than 5. So this 0.36 can be ignored since it's the nearest value will be 1207 centimeter square. If would it have been 50.5, so then this value could have increased, but since here the value is less than 5, so the final answer, that is nearest to its area nearest correct to the nearest centimeter square, so it will become 1200 centimeters square.